My name is Jean-Jacques Rousseau, and I must tell you something.
Yes then, but do you have authorization?
It does not matter, I must heed the zeal that urges me on. How is it that men are equal within nature, but have created inequality within themselves?
Men cooperate under the guidelines of nature in order to create happiness among individuals and maintain public order.
But that is not my point. I think that if I were to create a society, I would imagine a place that was very well governed, that is to say, that each individual has his own place within society. No one would tell anyone else what to do or how to do it.
But what of the sovereign?
It would make sense if the sovereign and the people had the same goals and interests in mind, but since this sounds like the people and the sovereign would have to be one in the same, I believe the best approach would be a democracy.
But surely there are those arrogant fools who will challenge your new type of government.
Even they will bow their heads in docility. It would be impossible for any man to be above the law, and if there were something written within that constitution, then they should be a national leader.
Foreign as well?
If there is a national leader, there should also be a foreign leader as well, so that they may split the authority. However, it is impossible for them both to be strictly obeyed and for the state to be well governed.
And what else? Oh no, here comes the 2-minute mark.
It looks like we must give the floor to Jason, who will further give us insight to my genius.